Tambayan ng malulupit, usapang makukulit, manood at makinig sa LS. Tambayan ng malulupit, damit mo man ay punit, sumabay sa hagupit, no? LS.
Hi, my name is Nicholas James Onasi, aka Lucky Cubu, and I'm here to present LSTV UK Tambayan. And today I've got with me Mr. Yellow Kids. Yo! Yeah! Hey, yeah. Oh, what's up, Tolo? Leave me hanging there, man. Shit. But he came all the way from Norway to come over to London to do a gig for us, and he's also here to jam with us, chill out. So what do you think about UK, bro? Like London, for instance? What's the vibe for you?
Masaya, masaya. Malamig.
What, the weather?
Yeah.
Or you?
Lahat malamig.
Sino ako?
Mainit ka eh.
Papawisan ako sa'yo. Ano ba? Ha? Ano? What was I gonna say?
Nabusan ng salita eh.
Tulad, back home in Norway, yeah? What is it like life in general? Like, explain to us what you do in your daily routines.
Shit.
Apart from like your writing, your lyrics. You need to shit? Mamaya na yung banyo, man. Alright, but yeah, what do you do?
Man, I'm like lazy and fuck.
You lazy and fuck? Damn, man, that's the life! Lazy and fuck! Oh shit!
Maganda description yun, tol. Sakto, yun ang talagang...
Diet! What? Sheep? What?
Tol, ayoko ng fetish stuff, man.
Oh, you're not into S&M or M&M, so anything like that, no? Don't worry, man. You can laugh if you want to. It's a free country. So yeah, so he did a gig with us at FM recently. If you lot see it recently, maybe now, tomorrow, whenever. But yeah, what did you think from the feedback you got from the people back in FM when you was doing the gig?
Masaya mga tao dito. Shit, man. Unexplainable nga, UK, London, yeah, man. Parang worldwide.
Eh kung ano?
Feeling worldwide.
Feeling worldwide. Feeling worldwide. Kumpara sa ano, Norway, what do you think? Out of the two?
Walang-wala.
Ooh, sakit yun.
Tol, punta tayo Norway.
No, but sige nga, tol, kumpara sa Norway. Yung vibe dun, compared to our vibe.
It's different. Mas ano dito, mas energetic eh.
Yeah?
Maraming makukulit.
Nako. Basta dilaw, no? Ba't Yellow Kid pala ang pangalan mo? Tanong mga tao.
Ba't yellow ang pangalan ko? Kasi, you know, mga Asians, right? In general, Asians. Kasi, hindi na hinahati yung mga ano doon eh. Incheck, Vietnamese,
paano yung hati?
Filipinos. Hindi, cultural differences.
Oh, kala ko yung...
Sinasabi na ano ka lang, you're yellow.
I'm yellow.
Like, yeah, you're Asian, you're yellow. That's done.
So that's why. So because you're Asian, you're Yellow Kid.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah. They just call people yellow.
Man, how about me? I'm brown, man. What would they call me?
Yeah, yellow.
Brown kid.
Yellow pa rin.
Yellow ka, tol.
Child.
Brown child.
Tol, pag taga-ano ka.
Brownie.
Asian.
One chibati and basmati. Yeah, you performed what song at FM?
Yung nag-ibatan laro yun. Nasa mixtape yun, volume 1, LS.
Yeah, so if you purchased that last year at Barrio, you get to hear that track. But yeah, if you missed out at FM, I'm sorry. But you can also hear other stuff of his at
www.soundclick.com/yellowkid. Pareho rin sa MySpace/yellowkid. Pareho sa Friendster. Pareho rin sa... Saan ka pumunta?
Sa mundo, MSN,
yeah, man.
sa World Wide Web.
Magsulat ka, slash mo na rin Yellow Kid. Para dun na rin ako.
So, soundclick.com/yellowkid, no spaces, no underscore. Same as myspace.com/something, I mean, Yellow Kid, whatever. So, what is the nightlife like in Norway? Tell us more about your country.
Nice is nice.
Ano yan?
Cut.
Cut! Akala ko! Mamadali
Tol, naiisip ko kasi yung sinabi ko kanina eh.
Ano yun? Madilim ba sa night?
Madilim eh.
Anong kanina? Wala namang kanina.
Wala ba?
Wala. Iba atang memory dito eh. Wala. May brain ba kaya? Joking.
Kailangan mo Q-tip niyan.
Yeah. May cubal dito. Gusto mo?